Hello, guys, welcome back to Learn with Akash, the place where knowledge meets energy. If you're ready to level up your skills, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's dive right in. In our last video, we explored AI and machine learning, how they're shaping the future. Today, we are going one step further. We will uncover the top skills you need in 2025 to build a successful career in data science. The first essential skill is programming. Python is the backbone of data science. Thanks to libraries like Pandas, NumPy, and Scikit-learn. R is also valuable for statistics-heavy projects. And don't forget SQL. Without it, you can't even access the data stored in the company databases. So remember, Python, R, and SQL form the foundation of data science. Next comes data wrangling. Real world data is messy, missing values, duplicates, and errors. Cleaning and repairing data often takes 70% of project time. Mastering tools like Pandas to transform raw data into usable form is what makes you efficient and reliable. The third skill, machine learning. Employers in 2025 expect you to understand basic like regression, decision trees, clustering, and even neural networks. But don't stop at theory. Build real projects. Whether it's predicting sales, building a recommendation system, or detecting spam. Hands-on projects show that you can solve real problems, not just pass exams. Skill number 4 is data visualization. It's not enough to crush numbers. You must communicate insights clearly. Tools like Matplotlib, Seaborn, Tableau, and Power BI helps you to tell stories with data. Remember, a manager or client might not care about the algorithms, but they will. Remember, clear chart that explains results. Big data, cloud, and math. The fifth skill is handling big data and cloud platforms. Companies today work with massive data sets, often stored in AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Learning big data tools like Spark gives you an edge. And behind all this is statistics and math. A strong base is probability, and linear algebra helps you understanding how algorithms actually work. Even if you rely on libraries, you need to know what's happening under the hood. Finally, the sixth skill, business understanding and soft skill. Great data scientists doesn't just code, they'll solve business problems. Whether it's finance, healthcare, or e-commerce, knowing the domain makes your work 10 times more impactful. Add strong communication skills and you will stand out instantly. Let's recap whatever we have discussed today. Python, R, and data wrangling, machine learning, SQL, data visualization, big data, cloud, and math. Business communication skills. Start working on these today and you will be ahead of the curve. That's it for today's episode of Learn with Akash. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more. Until then, keep learning, keep growing.
This is your Akash signing off.